John Deere lubricants are performance engineered to the same exacting standards as our equipment, helping to keep your Deere running at peak performance. New to the range is our exclusive HyGard Flex, a breakthrough product innovation that delivers like never before. One fluid for both hydraulic and transmission systems on select machines to streamline maintenance whilst maximizing performance. Our proprietary formula, designed and optimized exclusively for John Deere equipment, exceeds the minimum requirements of the JDM-J40A specification and maximizes uptime with extended drain intervals of up to 6,000 hours for select excavators to maximize utility and payoff. This breakthrough didn't happen overnight. It's been over 10 years in the making, from ideation, formulation, and real-world pressure testing to delivery on the shelf of your local John Deere dealer or straight to you. A decade's worth of innovation you can trust to deliver the optimal performance that you and your Deere deserve. So don't settle for anything less than genuine John Deere lubricants, the lifeblood of every Deere. Want to learn more? Just ask your local John Deere dealer or visit shop.deere.com.